Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adya and I recently visited Thailand and I shopped a few items, so I thought I'll show you to you. Let's see what I bought. So to begin with, these are the earrings that I bought. So this was a set of 4 for 100 baht. So and I think these are cute and the little one which I can wear on any outfit. So I'll probably wear this one right now and show it to you. I am going to wear this one. Hope this matches my outfit. Let's see. Okay, let me check how is it looking on me. I think it's looking cute. Let's continue with the haul. So I don't know if I can call it as a haul, but to begin with, I bought two trousers. So this was a random purchase, but I kind of liked it. The material is very soft. So even my hometown is near. It's a coastal area, so it actually I can wear it for that breezy summers. So yeah, I don't like wearing jeans over there. So this would be a perfect thing. Otherwise also I like wearing loose trousers itself, so that is I feel very comfortable in them. So this is the second one. So I really like the pattern here. So wear it with the white t-shirt or a crop top, and this looks, or off-white as well. So this is going to look so pretty. And yeah, this is the second one, and I think both of them I bought for 150 baht together. So it was a good deal, I felt. And the material, it's very soft and feel good kind. Yeah, I bought two set of t-shirts. So these were again for I think 100 baht or less, even less. But the quality is so good. Like, it's not like the cheap 100 rupees wala t-shirt, but it actually has a premium like, you know, the H&M t-shirt wala quality, or even better than that. Actually, you can see it's not see-through as well. I really loved the color. This is like a crop shirt, and you see how this is going to look on me. And I have one more. This is now orange color. This is as well the same print on both, but I love the color. And chalo, we'll see the next one. So this was night suit set, the cord set, or whatever you guys call it. So yeah, it also has a short. So this was a set together, and I really like the print on this. I like small prints on my cord set, so I went for this one. And I didn't had any of these kind of cord sets, so I thought, like, why not dress little girly? So I bought these, and they were also at very good price, so I took them. And there's one more. So again, I bought together the two pairs. It looks very different. And yeah, this is how it is. It also has a short, comes with this. These are together as a pair. So yeah. Okay, next one is this cute bralette that I bought. I actually didn't wear because I already took some clothes for my vacations. I thought we are done, but we are not. I actually bought this shorts to wear in beach, and this was also like 80 baht or something. So I actually wore it in my vacation holidays. So this was also very good. And to pair that, I bought this crop top. So again, this was again I think together I paid 150 baht. So that was again a steal deal. If you actually buy this from Savannah, right, it would cost more. And also the Thailand shirt or whatever but this is one of the very comfortable cloth that we bought. It's very comfortable to wear in summer. Again, it's full sleeve, it will save you from the tanning, and also for the sun it has this hoodie kind of a texture. It's all shrink because we washed it after coming from our holidays, so that's why it's in this state. But it's a very good cloth, that cotton material, right? So I bought this one again because I like the detailing here on the side. So, and look at the sleeve of this, so it's also very good. So that's why I bought this. Again, gave only 60 bahts or 70 bahts, and 200 rupees INR. You will no way get this in at least in Bangalore for this 200 rupees, and in any Myntra or any applications. So because the quality is so good. White shirts are mostly see-through, but this is not. You don't have to actually wear anything inside, like a layering. So this is very good. I really liked it, and I think we are done. Yeah, that's about it. So these are all the things that I bought. That's about it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you guys. Bye. Take care.